So in order to calculate the average cost per person, we just have to divide the total cost by the number of guests. Doing so, you'll end up getting 47.5, 43.75, and 42.5. Okay. So is the rate of change constant for the relations of the total cost? So we're talking about the total cost versus, right, number of guests. Okay, well, let's see. The total cost, right, we increase by 4,000 each time. Okay, we're increasing by 4,000 each time. The number of guests will also increase by a constant amount of 100 each time. Okay, so in this case, because we're increasing by a constant amount each time, yes, it is constant. Okay, the rate of change, right, is constant. Now for C, is the rate of change constant for the relation of the average cost per person versus the number of guests? Right, we already established that we're increasing by 100 each time here, but notice that here, from 47.5 to 43.75, right, we have to decrease by 3.75 to get to here. Then from here to get to 42.5, I decrease by 1.25. Okay, so here, right, we're comparing the average cost versus, right, number of guests. Because the number of guests is constant, but the average cost is not constant, right? The decreases are different, right? The rate of change is not constant, okay? So then for D, are the relations in part B and C linear or nonlinear? Well, because the rate of change is constant for B, B is linear, okay? But for C, the rate of change is not constant, okay? Because it is not constant, we can say that this is not a linear relationship, okay?